Are you looking for courses to learn product management? Yes, then this video is for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Manoj here, a product manager and content creator. Many of you had asked, I'm just exploring. I'm trying to transition to product management. I don't want to enroll in a cohort-based program, which is like 20,000, 30,000, even 1 lakh, right? I just want to explore some cheaper options which are structured and also have a quality content where I can learn about the foundations of product management. Yes, there are some good options of courses which are cheaper and also structured and also have a quality content. Yes, in this video, we are going to see the top Udemy courses which will help you to learn product management. Let's get into the video. Udemy courses are cheaper because they cost less than 500 rupees. And whenever there is a sale, you can buy it at 350 rupees or 450 rupees. So here, we are going to talk about top product management courses which you can take from Udemy to learn about product management and prepare for product management interviews. So the first in the list is the Concise product management course. It's a 5.5-hour course and it talks about all the basic concepts of product management like introduction to product management, the product development process, how to come up with product ideas, and they also explain it with case studies of, let's say, a NASA app, where they also talk about, okay, while solving a problem, how do you build empathy with users, how do you test and validate ideas, how you can make wireframes, how you can write user stories, and how you can build your leadership skill and how you can get job offers. So it covers all concepts of product management. So if you're someone who is just starting up and want to get some idea about product management, then this course is for you. The next one is the Great Product Manager course, the product management by a big tech PM. So it's taught by Dr. Bart, who was a senior product manager at Microsoft. And this course has good content. It starts with about understanding the product manager role, and it also teaches about how does a product manager organizes their work and how do they communicate with different people, right? And how does the product development process works? And in that, what are the other things that happen? Like how does the development happen? When the product is taken live, what happens? How does a product manager uses data to identify what has happened with the product and how they can make some changes in the product? And it also talk about what are the career paths and what are the traits of a great product manager. So this is a great course, and it also has an additional chapter which helps breaking into product management, specifically who are trying to transition to a product manager. The next in the list is Become a Product Manager, Learn the Skills and Get the Job by Cole and Nivan. So this is a very popular course. It's a bestseller. So here you can see it's taken by more than 2 lakh students, 2,50,000 students. So the course is Become a PM, Learn the Skills and Get a Job. This is a great course because it is very structured. It starts with, okay, introduction to product management, introduction to product development. Then it takes from the step by step of the product development process. First is idea, understanding user, understanding market, understanding competitors. And then you design and run experiment, and then you think of the solution. And how can product managers define success? How does a product manager manages the project, right? Working with people and stakeholders. Technology for PMs, right? And what should you do to prepare yourself for the job and how to look for a PM role. So this covers most important concepts that someone who is starting out would want to learn. And this course is 13 plus hours. Yeah, all links are attached in description, so no worries. So next is win your product management job interview. So this is very important. So at least in product management, preparing for interviews is different. You have to prepare a lot for interviews because it's not very easy to crack. So this course covers about what are the kinds of questions that are asked in product management interviews, what are the kind of different scenario based questions and case studies with examples. Next, master the product management interview, the complete guide by Charles. So this has different kind of interview questions. Every round is covered. I think most of the rounds are covered. Product vision question, behavioral question, estimation question, right? And here they cover in a very detailed manner. First they tell what is the interview round about and how to answer a question, maybe a framework. And then they have mock interviews, right? And then they have practice questions which you can use. Next, ultimate guide to the product manager resume by Diab. So this is a great course because resume is very important. When you're starting your product management journey, resume is something that helps you get shortlisted, right? Helps you get interview calls, right? So this course teaches a lot about resume, like how you can build a AIDS-friendly resume, right? Applicant tracking system friendly resume. How to create a resume that impress recruiters. And here some resumes are reviewed too, right? So that you get a real life understanding of, okay, what are the mistakes that people make in a resume and how you can fill the gaps in your experience, right? And how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile also. So this course is great if you are just starting up or if you are trying to switch to a new role and you want to build your PM resume. The next one is get hired as a product manager. So if you're taking the become a PM, learn the skills and get a job. So once you've completed this course, you should take this course because it's taught by a same instructor. So it would have a continuation and you would have a same kind of a ideology to learn because you would have learned from the same instructor. So this talks about how to prepare, the tips and strategies. What are the other side of the PM interview? Insider tips, some mock PM interviews and interviews with other PMs and interviews with students who have gotten job after learning from this course. Next in the list is very important. So nowadays AI and data science is booming a lot because of generative AI. So this course helps you to become a successful product manager in the fields of AI and data science. So it covers about all the key concepts of AI and how it is used in different areas of product management, like business strategy and AI, user experience and AI, data management and AI, right? And it also covers the basic concepts like building a model, evaluating its performance. So if you're someone who is building a Gen AI product or who are building AI product or who want to transition to AI product management, then this course is for you. So these are the courses. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share this video with friends who are preparing for product management interviews or who are trying to transition to a product manager role or upskill themselves. Thank you and have a nice day.